Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most versatile tools for your laser engraving and cutting projects. In today's video, we'll be exploring the world of laser engravers and cutters. Whether you're a creative artist, a DIY enthusiast, or a small business owner, you're in the right place. I've handpicked the top 5 laser engravers and cutters for 2023 that offer precision, efficiency, and endless possibilities. Links to all the machines mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the best tools for your laser projects. Let's ignite your creativity with these top-notch laser engravers and cutters. Starting at number 5, Batum M81 Laser Engraver Cutter. This Batum M81 Laser Engraver Cutter is a ThinkSmart device available in 2 versions, 40W and 80W laser engraver power. It delivers remarkable precision with a laser spot size of 0.08*0.08 millimeters, making it ideal for intricate designs and detailed engravings. With an engraving area of 81x46 cm, this machine offers a spacious work area for various projects. The crank capabilities and fact technology ensure high-quality results on materials like wood, plastic, paper, bamboo, and leather. This Batum M81 comes with a built-in air-assisted system that supports clean and efficient engraving and cutting tasks. The USB/Wi-Fi connection method adds to its convenience and user-friendliness. Both beginners and professionals can benefit from the M81's versatile application in laser engraving, cutting, and carving. It's suitable for artists, crafters, designers, and businesses looking to add intricate and customized details to their creations. In summary, this Batum M81 Laser Engraver Cutter is a powerful and precise ThinkSmart device that caters to various creative and professional needs, offering high-quality results and efficiency for potential buyers. At number 4, Atomstax 20x20 Pro Laser Engraver Cutter. The Atomstax 20x20 Pro Laser Engraver Cutter is a smart device designed to provide high precision and speed in engraving and cutting tasks. With a work area of 410,400 millimeters for X20 and 850,410 millimeters for X20 Pro, it offers ample space for a wide range of projects. The maximum printing speed of 12,000 millimeters/min ensures quick and efficient completion of tasks. The precision level of less than 0.01 millimeters guarantees detailed and accurate engravings. The Atomstax 20x20 Pro supports various connection interfaces, including USB, offline use, and app, allowing for versatile and user-friendly operations. Its compatibility with Lasergerbil and Lightburn operating systems adds to its appeal. The laser output power ranges from 22W to 24W, promising excellent performance on various materials. This engraver cutter is suitable for both hobbyists and professionals, offering great value for creative projects, personalized gifts, and small business endeavors. At number 3, Order LaserMaster 3 Engraver Cutter. The Order LaserMaster 3 Engraver Cutter is a smart and powerful machine that excels in both engraving and cutting tasks. With an engraving speed of 20,000 millimeters/min and the ability to cut materials like plywood up to 20 millimeters thick and acrylic up to 30 millimeters thick, this device is highly efficient and reliable. The large working area of 400*850 millimeters provides ample space for various projects, making it suitable for professionals, hobbyists, and small businesses. Its 10W optical power and 40W electric power ensure precise and detailed engravings on a wide range of materials. The Order LaserMaster 3 set comes with a power adapter output of 24V/2A, ensuring stable and consistent performance. Whether you're into crafting, dye projects, or creative design, this engraver cutter can cater to your needs effectively. The availability of the Lasergerbil and Lightburn operating systems further enhances its usability and customization. Overall, the Order LaserMaster 3 Engraver Cutter is a reliable and powerful tool, suitable for potential buyers seeking professional-level performance at an affordable price. At number 2, Niji 3 Laser Engraver Cutter. The Niji 3 Laser Engraver Cutter is a new and efficient laser engraving and cutting machine suitable for various materials. It provides a fast and precise logo mark printing capability on wood, metal, and other materials. The smart device compatibility enhances its usability and flexibility. With its key capabilities, the Niji 3 is a great tool for crafters, designers, and small businesses looking to add personalized details to their products. However, it's important to note that specific details about the laser power, working area, and cutting thickness are not provided, which might limit the potential buyer's ability to assess its suitability for their specific needs. If you're in search of a laser engraver cutter for logos, art, and basic designs, the Niji 3 can be a budget-friendly option. However, for more intricate and detailed projects, potential buyers might need to seek further information about its capabilities and specifications. At number 1, Laser Pecker 2 Laser Engraver Cutter. The Laser Pecker 2 Laser Engraver Cutter is a smart and versatile tool that brings creativity to life. With its 5-view 450 nm blue laser powered by the latest compressed spot technology, it delivers precise and intricate engravings on a variety of materials, including wood, paper, leather, plastic, acrylic, and more. Additionally, it can handle light cutting tasks on thin wood, paper, and leather up to 5 mm thick. The 2's compact design and Bluetooth app connection make it user-friendly, catering to both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're a hobbyist, artist, designer, or enthusiast, this engraver cutter has wide applicability and can be an excellent asset for small businesses as well. The engraver's wide compatibility with iOS and Android devices ensures seamless control and customization of your designs. However, it's important to note that it is not suitable for engraving or cutting pure metals and electroplated metals. Overall, the Laser Pecker 2 Laser Engraver Cutter is an impressive device that offers high-quality results and is ideal for unleashing your creativity on various projects.